Storybox Audio.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So we'll be looking at chain rule, which is also known as function of a function, or we can also call it, is also called composite rule, or chain rule. So chain rule, let's look at what chain rule is talking about. Chain rule is talking about when we have dy over dx is going to be equal to dy over du times du over dx. This is what we call chain rule. So from here, so we are going to be looking at example 1. Example 1, y equal to into bracket x plus 5 having power of 100. Please don't try to expand this, because when expanding this in 100 ways, that's big problem. So what we are going to do is that we are going to write this expression. So let's look at how we are going to write. We are going to say if y equal to u having power of 100, then so that u from this expression that we are having, u will equal to x plus 5. So from here we can say that if we substitute the value of this u into this, we are going to be having this. So from here, what we are going to do is that we are going to differentiate this y with respect to u, then we differentiate this u with respect to x. So when we differentiate y with respect to u, so that using power rule, 100 will multiply u, then we subtract minus 1 to the power. So for this side, what we'll be doing is that we are going to differentiate with respect to x, so that we are having du over dx using power rule. Constant is gone, then that will give us 1. So what we are going to do now, therefore we are going to look for a way to apply the rule to this, so that from here dy over du will be equal to 100u having power of 99. So from here, let's go back to our chain rule. Chain rule says dy over dx will equal to dy over du, and we can say that our dy over du is this. So 100u having power of 99, so we are to multiply it with du over dx, so times du over dx, that will give us 1, so that we are going to multiply it with 1. So from here, dy over dx will equal to, when this one multiply, we're having 100u having power of 99, but u is equal to x plus 5, you can see. So that when we substitute, we are going to be having dy over dx will equal to 100, then when we'll be having 100 into bracket x plus 5 having power of 99. Please don't use this 100 to open this bracket because of the power. So we are going to be stopping here. So let's look at example 2. Example 2 is if y equal to into bracket x squared plus 5x plus 10, then close bracket having power of 5, and we are told to find dy over dx. To find dy over dx, we can see that it's going to be difficult to expand this into 5 places. So it's better for us to use chain rule, composite rule. So to use that, I'm going to try to rewrite this, so we can write it as y equal to u having power of 5, then we can say our u is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 10. When we take this and substitute, we'll be having this. So we differentiate with respect to u here, we differentiate with respect to x here, so that dy over du we equal to, using power, we'll be having 5 into u into 5, then we subtract minus 1 to the power. Then here, when we differentiate with respect to x, we'll be having 2x, we subtract minus 1 to the power. This one we multiply, that's plus 1, we multiply 5, we have 5. Then we have x into 1 minus 1, constant, that's 0. So from here, we can say our dy over du we equal to 5u having power of 4. Then our du over dx we equal to 2x plus 5. When we subtract this, we'll be having a 0. X is plus 0, 1. 1 times 5, 5. So from here, chain rule says dy over dx we equal to dy over du times du over dx. This is chain rule. So what we are going to do now, therefore dy over dx we equal to dy over du, and we can say this is our dy over du, which is 5u having power of 4. Then we have to multiply it with du over dx. This is our du over dx, that's 2x plus 5. So from here, we'll be having dy over dx we equal to, that will give us, we can use this 5 to multiply this, so we'll be having 10x plus 25 into u having power of 4. So from here we can say, but u, what's our u from the beginning? Our u is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 10, so that dy over dx we equal to 10x plus 25 into bracket, what's our u? X squared plus 5x plus 10 having power of 4. This is our dy over dx.